Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center. Let's look at how to put a serialized item back in stock if it has been accidentally sold or returned as written off or lost. In this example, we're issuing out a fire extinguisher to Peter Cliff, but we accidentally select the sold transaction type. The fire extinguisher has an inventory status of sold and the quantity on hand is 0. In order to be able to issue this item again, we need to reinstate it. On the Retired Items page, we'll look up the item ID. On the lower section of the page, we'll check Reinstate, select the Reinstate status of In Stock, and enter a reason for making the change before saving. When we refresh the data for the fire extinguisher, we can see that it's back in stock with a quantity of 1, ready to be issued again. In this example, we'll look at a return where the return status retires the item. Here we're selecting write-off, but it could be lost or any other status that would retire the item. The fire extinguisher's status is write-off and the quantity on hand is 0. We must reinstate it before it can be reissued. So we search for the item ID for the fire extinguisher on the Retired Items page, and then in the lower section, we select Reinstate, the reinstate status of In Stock, and we enter a reason for reinstating the item before saving. The fire extinguisher is back in stock and ready to go. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team.